Here is a step-by-step guide for social media automation. For most businesses and brands, having a strong social media presence is their most powerful asset. And today we're going to explore how we can automate this entirely using AI and automation tools. Hello, I'm Mike Powers, and I run an AI automation agency called Horizon Labs that helps business owners become more efficient and profitable. If you're interested in working with me, check the link down in the description below. But for now, let's get into it. So, step one, what are we posting? First, let's consider the kind of content we want to post for our business. Let's take a clothing brand, for example. The goal is to get more people to come to our website and purchase our stuff. So, what kinds of social media would we want to post on to find those people who want to purchase our stuff? TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook will probably be our best bet. TikTok is great for viral short form content, and Instagram and Facebook are great for sharing images of our brand. We can also share most of the same stuff across all these platforms, which will allow us to grow automatically and publish our content to the most amount of people on every platform. And if we're trying to grow fast, short form content is a great way to get quick engagement with the potential upside to go viral. Now for step two, making the content. This is the real meat and potatoes of automatically creating content. If you have no idea what kind of content to make for your brand, literally just ask the AI. Create a super specific prompt like, I want to start a clothing brand about entrepreneurship and motivation. What are some unique content ideas I can make for this brand using AI tools? And then just see what it gives you. You need to keep playing with these prompts until you can get ideas you like and content that you can actually automate. Then we can use these image generators like Midjourney, Dolly, and Stable Diffusion to make these images for your brand. I'll have all the links to these services I mentioned in the description below. For image generators like a clothing brand, you can have them make mock-up templates that fit the theme of your clothing brand. You can then put these designs on the mock-ups that these image generators create and then post that content to your platforms. You can use Canva or Photoshop's new AI feature to edit and automatically place these designs on these mockups. From there, you can turn these images into slideshows or carousel posts. Carousel posts can be posted on all these platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, which makes it a great, quick, and easy way to grow. I've even asked the AI to come up with ideas for what kinds of images I should post on my social media, and then have it make descriptions of the pictures the AI thinks I should post, and then put those descriptions into the image generators and post those images as content. This process really required zero thought besides curating what ideas I thought were good. Then you can add a voiceover to these slideshows and make them more engaging. You can use tools like 11 Labs, which will give you amazing text-to-speech audio for your videos. And then, once we combine the videos and slideshows, we can make them even more engaging by adding captions. You can use services like Submagic or Media.io to automatically add your captions. This makes your videos so much more engaging for very little effort. And then you can even use services like ChatGPT to come up with engaging tags, descriptions, and titles for your post. You just need to prompt the AI with prompts like, write me 30 engaging captions for a video with, and then insert your transcript or video. And then you can pick the caption that you think is best for your video. But have fun with this. Make the AI outsource the thinking for you so you can focus on the process. Another way that I wanted to mention for creating content is you can use ChatGPT to even make long-form blog posts and written content for your brand. This can be things like long-form information pieces, ideas for content, tweets, and all sorts of stuff. And then you can take that written content and use services like Lumen 5 to turn those blog posts into videos. These tools will simplify the process and eliminate the need for expensive content creators or designers. You don't have to overthink this stuff. You just have to get strategic about the kind of content you're posting and then have the AI outsource all the work for you. Your job is to stitch this all together to create a cohesive brand for your audience to digest. I've found that AI is great for getting about 80% of the way there, and your job is to do the last 20% to make the content as easy to engage with. If you're enjoying this video so far, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. It really does help me out. And now for step 3. Distribution. So now that you have your content to post, you need to post it on social media. You can use tools like Hootsuite and Buffer, which allow you to automatically schedule videos and content to go up on all social media platforms at once. This makes it easy to batch a bunch of content and then have it automatically post without you having to manage everything on a daily basis. You can even use tools like Repurpose.io, which lets you post something natively and then it automatically uploads that content to every platform of your choosing. With this, you might even want to try to put your content on something like Pinterest to see if it does well there. If you set up these processes right, you can leverage your time only to having to post once, but then reach thousands of other people on all these platforms at the same time with no extra work. Utilizing tools like this to automate your workflow will allow you to spend more time working on your brands and products and the things you love, and less time on just making social media posts. And finally, step 4, profit. Why do all this work if nothing comes from it? You need to know that building a strong social presence is hard. If it was easy, everyone would be doing it. The key to know is that this process will not happen 100% automatically overnight, but you can use these tools to make it as simple as possible to streamline your processes. It's easier than ever to make content, but that doesn't mean you can slack off. If you have a game plan for making content and stick with it for at least 90 days, then you will at least have something to show for them. Most people don't even make it past a week, let alone 30 days, but can you do 90? If you're willing to try and implement these processes for your own brand and stick with it, at the very least, you'll know that you've tried. You can use the information you've gathered while doing this process to help you make better decisions about your business in the future. And if you use these methods and tools I showed you in this video, it will really only take you about a couple hours a day to make content that you can post for weeks, saving you a bunch of time to focus on other things while you grow your socials in the background automatically. If you made it this far in the video, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and share your thoughts down below. Also, if you're interested in working with me to automate your business with AI and automation tools, check out Horizon Labs in the description. But for now, that's all from me. I'll see you guys in the next one.